This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Darlene Taylor. New construction. Custom-built ranch-style home with an open spacious floor plan. This new home is the total package: 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, split bedrooms and a large bonus room, tray ceiling and recessed lighting in the large master suite, walk-in closet and double vanity and master bath, cathedral ceiling, recessed lighting and freestanding fireplace in the open living room, beautiful upscale kitchen with soft close shaker style cabinetry and nice granite countertops, stainless refrigerator, stainless stove, and microwave. Large island with a double sink and dishwasher, nice size dining area, pantry, bonus room / family room with cathedral ceiling, recessed lighting, and second freestanding fireplace. All bedrooms have walk-in closets, luxury vinyl waterproof flooring throughout. Home has lots of light coming in with stylish colors and finishes. Attention to detail is everywhere in this home. Covered front porch, private back deck, low maintenance vinyl, 1.25 acres with a paved driveway and a gated entrance for added privacy. For more information, review the details below or contact Darlene Taylor at 865-693-1111.